Okay, tell me when to talk. Okay, this is the hot water on demand in the 3rd floor bedroom apartment to supply hot water for the whole apartment. This installation was one of the many reasons that the New York City Department of Buildings and Con Ed turned off the gas. They said the installation was disastrous and hazardous. Number one, you always have to have a metal door in front of it. So it's not supposed to be exposed, and there's no metal door in front of it. Number two, they didn't do the fresh air ventilation. I'm not sure if that thing on the ceiling there, which looks like a ventilation, is what they did afterwards, or that's something else. But one of the things that the Department of Buildings wrote down was there wasn't proper air ventilation, and it's not considered a legal installation because it's a gas hot water demand. The other thing is over here, this is a water pipe, and they have it right next to the electric outlet. It's you know, as long as there's no water splashing out of it, you're okay, but you don't want to put, they said that was too dangerous. And the pipe, for some reason or another, they use different sized pipes. And I'm not sure why, but the Department of Building brought that up to me. So this is in the bedroom of the 3rd floor apartment. Okay, and then, so then, we didn't do the floor yet. Okay.
Go ahead.
So the entire floor in this apartment is not level. It goes high on either end, so it has nothing to do with the building. And if I move this bookcase, it shakes. The floor is so crooked that it's going back and forth. And that this bookcase was from the living room of another apartment, and it should not happen. And if you look here, is that what she put? No, she didn't put that under there. Okay, so this floor is high, and then goes low, and it has nothing to do with the building, because on this side, the same thing happens. It's low, and then it goes up. So when I close this door, you have about a 2-inch space on that end under the floor, and under the door here, and very little space here. And the reason they did that is, if you notice, when I open the door, the floor is high here, so they had to do that, or else you couldn't open the door. So the floor is crooked, so they made the door crooked to accommodate the floor. And this is the new woodwork they installed, and they used rejects. This has an ugly knot in it, and this has a reject here, and that's a reject. So the woodwork are rejects. Yeah. And you can see here that the walls are not like that, but they didn't do the walls, so. And then when they installed the woodwork, they didn't get the right putty. They used bathroom putty. And over here, if you look, the bathroom putty is cracking. Do you need a light for that? Should I get a light? It's cracking as it dries all through the back of the bed, because it's bathroom putty that you use for tile. It's not what you use for woodwork. Let me go over here. Okay, you can see it even more here. That's cracked and came off. What's this, cigarettes?